Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download all emails in Gmail. So first step you need to search takeout.google.com, hit enter and you are here. So here you can see select data to include. So first you need to deselect all, scroll down and you need to find the mail. Okay, select that, go down and click on next step. So here you can see destination sent, download link vi. So I want to add to OneDrive or Drive. So I want to add in Drive, and frequency export once, export every 2 months. So it is up to you. So how you need, so I want zip file, so file size it is up to you, 10 GB, and then you simply need to click on export data, and after that you have your all emails. So this is a process how you can download all emails in Gmail. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.